This video is brought to you by Tom's Die-Cast Kits and Collectibles. Sometimes when applying decals, the surface the decal is applied to is not flat, and therefore the decal needs to be softened a little bit and formed to shape. You can use one of two products, in my opinion, which work really well. Underneath the decal, I'm using decal setting solution, as I've shown in the previous video. This helps adhere the decal a bit to the part and also softens it a little bit to conform to shape. In this case, the decal needs to be formed a lot more, and that is where a decal softening solution comes in. This solution goes on top of the decal, just being applied with a brush and heated up with a hairdryer or heat gun continuously until it can start forming to shape of the part. In some cases it can be done and finished in one application, in others it needs a little bit more time and attention, therefore it can take a couple applications of the decal softening solution, heating it up carefully, removing some of the air bubbles, and also just brushing it on carefully to conform it to shape even more. Once you're happy with the way the decal shaped to the part, you can just leave it overnight and then apply a clear coat on top to protect the decals and also make it either glossy, satin, or matte finish.